begin. Alina? Alina?
Alina?
Alina, what happened?
Alina? Alina, don't worry. We are here to help you.
What's this, Alina? Why are you behaving like this? There's nothing you're worrying about. It's just your imagination.
No, it's trying to kill me. Doc, please help me.
Come out of your dream, Alina.
Jay, please stop it. I can understand your situation. I can't simply say it's your dream or imagination. I can see the pain. I want to know something more from you. Tell me, what's haunting you?
It looks like a black cloud. Its eyes are so scary. It moves very fast like a wind. Its voice is so terrifying.
Смерть идется вам.
Who the hell are you?
Он будет преследовать вас до самой смерти.
Stop this nonsense and just leave.
Jay, stop it. I called him.
Señor, nie jest powodu, pieśniu o прекрасnym snie, que niebo jarko galopoje, jen słowo purpurowe.